go! Jesus fucking Christ.
Get the shelf, got jellyfishes up in the boat. Eating peanut butter and jellyfishes on toast. And if I get stung like a soap, might choke like I chewed a chunk of charcoal. Naked in the North Pole, that's why my heart cold, full of sorrow and lost soul. And only Lord knows when I'm coming to the crossroads. So I don't fear shit for tomorrow. And I'm a sucker for pain, it ain't nothing for pain. You just fucking complain, you ain't tough as you claim. Just stay up in your lane, just don't fuck with the rain. I'ma jump from my plane or stand in front of a train, cause I'm a sucker for pain. Used to doing bad, now we
Fuck's sake. Oh my gosh. Christ!
So we're back here again, huh?
Manual recording will now start.
Man, lately I just wanna ask.
You again. Somebody's getting busted. South of
Whistleblowers revealed that USPS is responsible for tampering. Well, then speed up and go!
I know, speed up then! Don't run into me! What the fuck are you doing?
We have you on camera!
You're on camera, by the way. Bye.
right on Valley Boulevard.
What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Dude, you did not hit my car, right? You hit my car. What the hell was that? Yeah, you scratched my car. Can you pull over there and give me insurance? Damn it. God damn it. God. And she's turning right towards Imperial right now from 116th.
So, okay, so you're on 116th and Eucalyptus?
Yeah.
Okay. So the elderly driver just doesn't want to pull over?
Yeah, she's actually going down Imperial right now.
Which way is that? Eastbound or westbound?
Eastbound right now.
So eastbound Imperial from Eucalyptus?
Yes.
Are you in Hawthorne?
Yes.
Okay, and so do they know they hit you?
Yeah, I just pointed it out to her and she's like looking at me like I'm stupid. I don't know what other language to give her.
Do you have a license plate?
She's switching to go westbound now.
Okay,
Yeah.
Let me know. J as in John?
You hit my car. Sí, sí le rayaste. Tengo cámara aquí. Soy con la policía en el teléfono. Por favor, estése aquí. Vamos a hablar con la policía. Aquí en la gasolinera. Aquí, no, aquí. Ya tuvo tiempo. No, she doesn't want to. I'm stopping right here on Imperial. Look at this scratch right here. Look at. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Damn it. Somebody get this. This is the bitch who pulled over and was saying, we seen the whole thing. You were speeding. And they were blaming me for everything. Yeah, that. I'm going to show you guys the video.
all 3 lanes with no shoulders. Oh, he's gonna lose it. He's gonna lose it. Hang on, hang on. Right shoulder. I'll get you another mile marker here. About 335. Oh, Jesus, he almost lost right there. So white Chevy truck. He's gonna lose it. He is drunk. All right, I am at the 334 southbound. White Chevy truck. All the traffic is behind him. Thank you. I don't know, but he's going to lose it down in the trees. Oh, Jesus. He's going to roll it. It's got to be another mile south, I guess. There he goes. He's down in the trees. Oh, no. He's pulling it out. Hold on. Jesus, how did he pull it out? He was down in the trees. Uh-oh.